morning too here in Kentucky. Nasty morning, but they're actually gobbling. I'm shocked. It's been raining all night, kind of thunderstorming. We got some more coming here in the next hour. You can see the blind here. Blayne's already in. I went ahead and popped it up this morning. We're in a TV plot, so got that guy right there that just gobbled up above us, and then we got a couple down below us here, just sparingly gobbling. So I'm gonna hit some calls here in a minute, and hope that we can coax one of these guys up in there for Blayne. We'll see. He's out there. He's out in the field right there. Two of them. See him over there. Oh yeah. Is it a hen? No, it's got. They're both gobblers, aren't they? They're running off. Maybe they're running another tom off. There's another tom up there. Now they're coming back. Or now it's a hen or something. See it walking out there now? Yeah. Here they come back out. Hey, lady. Watch her, because she might come down here. Yeah, she's coming. You better hurry up. Oh, they're both right there. Yeah. Just backing around. That hen kept going, didn't she? Or was that a Jake? Oh, is she? Okay. Start easing out there. If his head's covered by the other one, he's out there. There you go, right there. Take you down, good. Easy, easy. You want to shoot the starter or that one? I'm good. Hold this. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Good. You on him? You on him? Yep. Okay. Well, that just got western. I didn't get the action camera on. This morning, we had birds gobbling around us, which was a shock in itself because the weather's terrible. And anyway, these two birds came in out far into this field with a hen and acted like they wanted to come down here, but we had the strutter out. And anyway, long story short, they walked out. So the minute they walked out, I slipped around, grabbed the strutter, pulled it back in here behind the blind, and sat back in here. So we've been sitting here, what, probably 30 more minutes since then?
Yeah, probably.
Hadn't heard anything. It had been raining. But anyway, I was just sitting here, and I told Blayne, I was like, I hear clucking, like little purrs and clucks and stuff. Well, you peeked out that little bitty pocket of a window right there, and all you could see was two white heads, like literally 5 feet from the blind. So we scrambled, wasn't ready, scrambled. They popped out here. I think I got the camera on them decent. Didn't get a chance to get the action camera on. But anyway, Blayne shot, and what was that, 7 steps probably?
Yeah,
I don't think he's got much of a head left. And then the other one jumped up, and I handed the camera to Blayne, and I think you got it, didn't you? Did you get my shot too? So anyway, hey, double. We said we wanted to do it. We've never done it till today. Yep. So what an awesome day. There's our 2 amigos finished. Here's our setup. The birds came out over there. We had birds back in here gobbling behind the blind, and then a couple back up in there. I think the 2 that were there was the ones that come out here. So, and he's back over here. The road goes up to another food plot up that way. But anyway, when I took that strutter out, they popped out right back here. I guess they might have made a loop, or could be these other birds that were gobbling by us. We're not really sure. But anyway, when they came out, they literally came between that tree and that tree right there, right next to the blind. So we're recording. Oh yeah, we're rolling. 2 fine Kentucky gobblers. Good job, buddy. This is, we was talking about it, what, Friday? Like, this is the first turkey you've ever seen me shoot.
Yeah.
Of all the turkeys I've killed, I've just always, when we've taken the kids or whatever, just preferred that they shoot them. I always wanted to double with Blayne. I've done it with Katie on a couple of different occasions. So anyway, it worked out really good this morning. We had to sit in the blind for a little bit after we killed it. It got nasty, raining, windy. It's still pretty rough. It's cooling off quite a bit too. But anyway, I was shocked this morning that they were gobbling. So just made a last minute decision to come in here. Didn't really have any intel or anything. Just kind of figured that birds do what they do, and this was going to be the place to do it. So they about caught us with their pants down there. Yeah. When they come out, we didn't expect them to come back out that quickly, but they did. So we got a little bit of footage, and it all worked out in the end. So you're tagged out, right? Yeah. So Katie's still out today. She's got a couple tags to fill, and Parrish has got one more. So and it's early in the season, but it's been a great opening weekend between Dad getting a bird and me and Blayne doubling today. So blessed to be a part of it, and just really enjoying what we knew was going to be a great year. A lot of 2-year-olds out here, and great hatch the last few years. So I think this season's probably going to be one of the better ones here in Kentucky. So what do you need to tell them?
Like, subscribe, and comment down below.
We'll catch you guys on the next one. Love you, buddy. Good job.
You too. Thank you.